Welcome to another Premier Auto Lounge video. In front of us, we have a very aggressive GLA 45 AMG 4MATIC, and this one is gorgeous. It's rare, it's clean, it's got 2 keys, good service records. But what makes this one so special is it has a Weistec blow-off valve and a tune as well. This car stock is 375 horsepower. You might be saying to yourself, it's not that much power in today with an AMG or these fast cars, but this thing is super light and it moves. This thing could be a track weapon. Although it is fun to drive daily, it gets great gas mileage, it's good looking, it's rare. You will not see many of these on the road as well. So let's get right into it. My name is Jordan with Premier Auto Lounge, and I love showing off our hand-picked selected inventory. This one came in from a private seller, and this is a 2018 GLA 45 AMG pushing over 420 or 415 horsepower. This thing is so much fun to drive. It's all-wheel drive, it grips the ground, it's good looking, and in the front with the Panoramic grille is super aggressive. So let's go ahead and get over to the front. And you see here you have the beautiful matte black multi-spoke rims from BMW, big slotted rotors with beautiful red AMG brake caliper covers. And this thing is extremely aggressive. We have 2 keys for this car, great service history, great service records. The only flaw in this vehicle, I would say, you do have some rock chips on the hood. This can be filled in, wet sanded, and redone, as this car came from Kansas, so there is a couple of rock chips here and there on the hood. The front bumper is in great shape, and there's no other rock chips to be had among the vehicle. Now, there's a lot of GLA 45 AMGs out there, but this one is black on black, and this one also has the Alcantara and suede package. So what's pretty rare about this is this on the dash is Alcantara. Not many of them have that. Let's see if that's catching it on video. This also has new tires all around from like a couple thousand miles old, and it has full panoramic sunroof. This car is retail ready, needs absolutely nothing, and this car is so much fun to drive. It sounds incredible. You do have race mode, and this car just absolutely gets it. Now feel free to follow us on social media, Premier Auto Lounge. We're on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and most social media platforms. You can also follow us at premierautolounge.com. Now this one does have keyless entry. To lock the door, you just swipe in front. To unlock, you just put your hand in. You go ahead right in there as well. Now as we get in, go over some of the features. As you see, it is 96 degrees out today in Clearwater, Florida. So we're going to go ahead and get the AC going. Push to start over here by your right knee. Now, some really nice features on this. You do have the red line in the middle of the steering wheel, flat bottom steering wheel underneath the AMG logo. You do have heated seats on both sides and dual climate control as well. You also have the sports suspension button, you have an exhaust button, and even better yet, you have race mode. Let's go ahead and give that a little rev and let it go. Let it rip. Little pops and bangs, and you have a really nice blow-off valve as well. So this is in race mode, sport handling mode is on. Let's go ahead and get a full overview. I love the simplicity of the center console here. It is the same tech that you would see in a older CLA as well. And this being the GLA, this is fairly rare, and it drives really nice too. Full panoramic roof, good seating in the back, and I love the suede two-tone with the red stitching here as well. And I guess this does not open. Oh, there we go. Slide it back to open a little bit. You have 2 USBs in here. This does have books and manuals in the trunk and a great Harman Kardon sound system. Now there's no swirling on the paint. This car has been very well maintained. It was always garage kept. And this vehicle is for sale now at premierautolounge.com. We're asking just under $40,000 for this beast. And we're looking forward to seeing this one go to the next owner. Always remember, life's too short to drive a boring car, and we'll see you on the next video. All right, driving the 2018 GLA 45 AMG. To go ahead and put it into drive, you pull that back, parking brake comes off. Here we go. Now this thing does have a Weistec blow-off valve. This also has a tune on it, a stage 1 tune. So this thing moves. This is a GLA 45 4MATIC, so all-wheel drive. And you'll be able to hear the blow-off valve in here too, and this thing is impressively quick. Let's go ahead and put it into Sport Plus. And this does have race mode as well, but we'll go. Oh yeah. Impressively quick, impressively nimble, drives straight as an arrow. Love the Alcantara all over the steering wheel and the dash as well. And this is a really nice little race car for someone. Nice downshifts automatically. We could put it into manual mode, but go ahead and leave it into Sport Plus.